the channel, folks. Welcome back. Bo Biddle.
Good Barber.
What's up, dude?
Good morning.
Where are we today?
We're back up here in Clarksville
at
our
Direct
friends.
Auto, and that's them right over
Yeah.
there. And we're over here on this side lot checking out this Porsche. What is this thing? It's
Ben
beautiful,
Barber.
first of all. Let's say that.
Absolutely. This is a 2017 Porsche Macan GTS.
GTS?
Yes.
Oh. So
I'm
it's,
excited about this one. I haven't really messed with Macans, but by all accounts, this is a really awesome.
This is one of the ones you want to get. So
Yes.
it's not. So it's basically like every box checked without it being the Turbo S model,
Right.
but yet it still is a turbo.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
everything's a turbo now.
Everything's a turbo.
So-
Everything's a turbo. And yeah, everything's a big truck around here. We got a bunch of noises, but bear with us, guys. We're just trying to show you all this amazing ride for sale. So let's do what we normally do, Bo. Start with the rear hatch. See how much room this thing's got. Some of these folks out here watching got families and need. Oh, so I guess it opens, but not opens.
Oh, look at that. I don't even know what that is, but
It's always nice to have a Porsche bag.
what's in here, Ben? Let's check it out. Oh, it's a windshield.
Oh,
Thing.
that's fancy. That's
Okay.
nice.
That's probably like a $2,000 option.
Yeah, especially because of just that name that's written on there.
Okay, it looks like we've got the WeatherTech mat back here.
Well, it looks like there's plenty of room inside here as well, which is pretty
So-
cool.
Okay. So I guess that's what, like a 40-20-40 split?
Yeah, it's got the little armrest there. Extra space underneath. Yeah, there's nice little areas to hide things, and
Look
the
at that spare.
really weird looking spare tire there.
It's a little bizarre. And looks like this is a Bose. Maybe there's a sub under there. But
Yeah, okay.
okay. All right.
So this thing's nice. Once you go up to those second row seats and fold these down so we can kind of see what the,
Well, Ben, you
see
know
what the look is.
I don't. Oh wait, what is that? Oh, check this out. Before we do that, I thought this was maybe a rear seat, but this is to lower the
lower
rear
the car.
of the car to maybe make
Make it
getting
easier to get in and out.
get
Well,
stuff in and out.
let's
Okay.
press that button and see
That's
what
cool.
happens.
All right. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna flip this down.
Oh, it's starting to lower. Sorry, Bo Biddle's putting seats down. We got to make sure we get that.
There we go.
Okay, so that's a lot of room.
Yeah, it's
You can
lays
see
pretty
from
flat.
here all the way up to there. That's nice. It smells good in here too, huh?
It does.
It's got some nice leather.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Some of that nice leathers. All right, well, let's make our way into the rear of this thing, Bo. Actually, why don't you give us a little start up? And
Let's secure the rear hatch
yeah,
first.
secure the
Ben.
hatch there, won't you?
Okay.
I guess we were a little too close to it earlier when it tried to open, and so it just popped itself. I really like the way this rear hatch looks. It's really kind of cool. And see if we can get close enough here to get some revs. Ooh, those brake lights are cool too. I like the look of those. A couple revs there, Biddle. Yeah, it sounds good. Sounds good. Kind of got a nice little growl to it. How's it sound inside here, Bo? That sound pretty
It sounds good. Yeah, I can definitely hear a little bit of a aggressive lower end tone.
A little rumbling.
Yeah.
While we're back here, we'll just do a quick look at the armrest. Pretty simple. It does sit up pretty high, which is what we like. Door card. Pretty nice door card. It kind of hard plastic. I do like this. This is definitely metal. It feels like metal. Nice little soft spot here and stitching looks good. Though it's not contrasting stitching, I notice. It is some pretty decent stitching. Just a quick favorite thing about this car, it does have the huge panel roof. I'm going all the way back to me and forward. Yeah. And man, that's nice. How's this ergonomics feel up here, Bo?
Well, as you would expect from any car in the Porsche lineup, Ben, like the ergonomics is fantastic. It's got the good steering wheel. I was just sitting here playing. It's electronic button
adjust, nice.
So that's nice.
Steering wheel looks pretty legit too.
Oh yeah, it's a great steering wheel. The aluminum kind of looking paddles back here. I like the brushed aluminum finish.
which is
On the
kind of
dash,
character.
right.
Overall, this interior, as you were kind of saying there, it's real plush. That stainless steel all over the place.
Yeah,
Clearly a ton of buttons that available in this center area. All your AC stuff there. It looks like all your heated and cooled and
it looks complicated,
everything.
but it's actually very convenient to have everything right here, to have all your buttons
right there and quickly
Yeah.
available, I guess, in reach. Well, pretty awesome. All right, well let's check out the engine bay and get this thing, move our way through this process here. Again, this car, great silver color, amazing silver color with these black wheels. This is kind of like the ultimate Porsche combo, right, Bo? The silver on black, or silver with black wheels.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's pretty
And
awesome.
check this out. As we pop the hood, notice how the lights
The headlights are part of that's pretty cool.
stay in place.
And man, that's a pretty clean engine bay. Let's just show these headlights. These are really, really legit headlights.
There you have it. You've got your twin turbocharged 3-liter V6.
That's pretty cool.
And Ben, I think
Like
you
that little
mentioned it
badger.
has somewhere, it's in the 400
It's in the
horsepower
400-ish range, I believe, high 300s. They just got this car in, so they didn't have all the stats, and we wanted to check it out. We didn't want to waste any time, so sometimes we don't have all the info. We don't know the price on this thing.
It does have about 30,000 miles.
30,000 miles, a 17 model.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, this car, again, as we mentioned earlier, this car is available at our friends at Direct Auto. That is them right here. And I guess this is, if you want one of these, Bo, you'd take this thing, right?
Absolutely.
If you could afford it, this
100%.
is straight up your alley. I think it's kind of straight up my alley as well. But, prices are prices. And some cars they're just not for the everyman, right? This car, you got to have a little extra bucks in your pocket
Yeah.
to get one. But
Yeah.
it definitely, it drives and is worth the extra money. So if y'all want it, hit up Direct Auto. Their information's been on the screen. For my man, Bo Biddle, my name is Ben Barber. We will see you in the next video.